What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell. So whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on. And hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, Turn Motivation into Millions, The Hustle Family, King Hussle X1M. I think I said that already. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom of the description, all my social media links will pop up. I got a lot of fake social media platforms out there. I got a lot of fake IGs, Instagrams. Same thing. IGs, Instagram, Telegram, Snapchat, YouTube, you name it. So I need y'all to be more aware before y'all send y'all money to these people. Just get a FaceTime verification call or video before you send your money to anybody. If it ain't the links in the bio, it ain't me. Alright, so just be more aware before y'all send y'all money to these people, because a lot of people still getting scammed. A lot of people still not being aware. A lot of people, listen, my IG is not King Hussle on YouTube. I don't got 50, 60,000 followers on IG. My IG name is not King Hussle Backup. It's King Hussle X1M and the real King Hussle X1M. They're my only two King Hussle IGs right there, alright? Links are in the bio. And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. I'm not telling anybody to go do anything. So let's get this thing started. So today we're going to be talking about another great place to build credit. Well, basically, you can build your credit and you can get up to a $50,000 credit card. So today we're going to be talking about a place called Capital on Top, where they will literally help you get your funds that you need, business credit cards with ease. All you need is your LLC, your EIN number, and have your business established, and they will fund you up to $50,000, a $50,000 business credit card. So in today's video, we will be talking about Capital on Top. We will be reviewing them, and hopefully you guys can go get you $50,000 credit card once you get everything together. Because like I said, a lot of people be trying to apply for these loans and they don't be having their business together. They don't be having nothing together and then get mad when they don't get approved. So make sure y'all got y'all business together. Make sure you have a real LLC, a real EIN number, and have your business together before you apply for this. And without further ado, let's get into Capital on Top. So today we will be talking about Capital on Top, the credit card built for small businesses. Earn 1.5 cash back with credit limits of up to $50,000 to take your business further. No hidden charges or annual fees. All right. Apply won't affect your credit scorecard issued by a web bank. So basically, 1.5 cash back on every purchase. Earn rewards on all cards. Spend and redeem your balance or as gift cards. No annual fee. Enjoy cashback and flexibility without an annual fee. Rates as low as 9.99% APR. Interest rates as low as ranges from 9.99 APR to 34.99. Credit limits up to $50,000. Grow your business with a credit limit up to $50,000. A credit card that's built for your business. Manage your business spend with small controls and real-time visibility, all with no annual fee. Track card spend in real time. Unlimited free company cards. Set spend limits and for employees. Auto sync with accounting software. So basically, you can get you a $50,000 business credit card with Capital on Top. Apply under 2 minutes and get a response within 48 hours. Make purchases immediately with your virtual card. Your cards arrive 4 days later. Running your business just got easier. So they will literally get you together, all right? We are a match if you we are a match if you are you active business that has been running for more than 6 months? Have you at least $2,500 per month in revenue? Make money mostly from selling goods or providing services? Then that's for you, all right? So if you've been in business for at least 6 months and you make at least $2,500 per month in revenue, they're for you. They're not dealing with sole proprietors, charities, or nonprofits, trusts, or funds and clubs, or not registered organizations. All right, so no sole proprietors, no charities or nonprofit organizations. Benefits. Making the lives of small businesses owners easier. Our applicants, easy rewards programs, easy contacting a human and support. Easy business because running your business is hard, but having a business credit card that is tailor made for small businesses is easy. All right, so they got different credit cards, redeem points against your balance or discounted gift cards. Get gift cards for merchants like Apple, Amazon, Airbnb, and many more. Business credit cards, travel gift cards, and cash rewards. Unlimited free 1.5 cash back on every purchase if you spend $10,000 per month on business expenses. Annually, $1,800 comes back to you in rewards. You get $20 back if you spend $15,000 in your first 3 months. Redeem points for discounted travel and gift card rewards. Unlimited free cards for your employees. Organize all your business spend in one place. Set smart limits to monitor and control their spending. Get real-time notifications at any spend threshold you choose. All right. Pay $0 in annual and FX fees. Spend every dollar on your business. No annual or foreign exchange fees. Talk to a real person 24/7. Start spending instantly. So you get a virtual card till your real card comes. Use your card with Google or Apple Pay. All right, so check out Capital for if you're a small business getting started. You need to start building capital. You need to start building credit. You need your $50,000 credit card. Go check out Capital on top. All right. My bad, this mic in the way. Capital on top right there. Business credit cards. They make it easy for you. So let's talk about it. So let's talk about it. Capital on tap. All right. So basically, it's for business credit cards for small businesses, startup businesses, anybody looking to start building their business credit. Capital on tap will basically fund you $50,000 in a credit card, and you can do the things that you need. And like I said, make sure that you got your business together. Make sure you got your LLC. Make sure you got your EIN number. Make sure you got your Dun & Bradstreet. Make sure you got your UEI numbers. UEI numbers are for grants. Dun & Bradstreet numbers are for loans. Make sure you got your NAV account. Make sure you get your business is structured in a proper manner. Like I said, make sure you got your virtual address. If you're using the address that you've been using for your house for living, or an address that you ever use for living, wrong. Go get you a virtual address. You want to separate the two. Second, get you a business number. Once you get you a business number, make sure it's registered with the 401 National Directory. Third, get you a website. Get you a business email, not a Yahoo or a Google, but a business email. You can Google all these things so you can get your business in order. A lot of people make building credit seem hard when it's easy. It's only hard because a lot of people aren't willing to put in the work to make it happen. A lot of people aren't willing to put in the work with anything in life to make it happen. And that's why a lot of people are still in the same position that they've been in for the past 10, 15, 20, 30, 40 years, because they're not putting in that hard work. They're not putting in that effort that they need to succeed. They're not putting that effort or willing to learn something new that can put them in a whole new position. Credit is everything. Credit is always needed. When you go apply for a car, a home, a card, a loan, anything, they're going to check your credit. And once they check your credit, it's that little voice in the back of your head that says, man, I know my credit bad. Everybody wants to get these CPNs and credit privacy numbers because to get cars and homes because their credit is bad. So a lot of people who are getting CPNs because their credit is bad. Well, a lot of people don't understand, well, if you just clean and fix and build your credit, you can be in a whole different world, way better positions, making way more money because now you seem liable. You seem like a good person. Your credit is good enough. It's good enough so they can loan you money. When they look at your credit profile, they say, "Oh, he has a 650 or a 700 credit score. Okay, we can let's give him this $10,000 loan, it's $20,000 loan. Or you got bad credit, but your credit profile looks decent enough, they'll give you that. A lot of people don't understand. You got to put in some type of work to be successful in life. Trying to get all these personal loans and things like that is gonna have you stuck in the dirt. I already told y'all before, getting loans with your business is easier than getting personal loans. And using the money from your business loans is easier than losing it with the personal loans, because the utilization rate from the business is way different from the personal. Like I told you before, you get you $1,000 business credit card from $1,000 personal credit card. The utilization rate is 10%. It's really 30, but it's 10%. So you're not supposed to use more than $100. You get you $1,000 business credit card, you can use the whole $1,000 up, and as long as you pay it back on time or before it's supposed to be paid back, that's exceptional to them on the business side, which will leverage towards your business credit, which will allow you to get a higher limit loans that fast. So start building y'all businesses, start getting them in the right position so y'all can start getting these loans, these business loans, lines of credit, and credit cards to be successful. I promise you, it's easier to build your business credit than your personal credit. And we'll talk about that in the next week. So shout out to all my Real King Hussle fans. Shout out to all my Real King Hussle supporters. Shout out to everybody that's been tapping in. Shout out to all my new subscribers. Without y'all, there'd be no me. You'll motivate me to keep going. You'll motivate me to keep dropping this sauce. Because that's what, so I'm going to keep dropping this sauce. I'm going to keep dropping as much information as I can to make sure we all win. Point blank period. All right? So make sure you tap in. Come get y'all lessons. $500. I'm doing unlimited gyms right now for $500. So make sure you don't miss out on that. I don't know when I'm going to be done with it again. So don't miss out on this opportunity again. If you missed out the first 2 times, here's another opportunity. If you miss out again, that's on you. Make sure you book me for your in-person on the crypto tour. $3,500 in-state, $4,500 out-of-state. $500 deposit. The rest of the money will be in person. All right? Still looking for people for the production company, my production company, Hussle Nation. So if you're a model, if you're an actor, if you're a rapper, a producer, a cameraman, a content creator, tap in. Let's work. Let's win. Let's get this money together. Let me help you get in the position that you need to be in to be successful. And let's win together, all right? So it's your boy, King Hussle. Go check out Capital on Tap. $50,000 business credit card. You can have it today. Make sure you're taking all the steps that I've been telling you on all these videos that I've been making. And I promise you, you'll be in the right position to get this credit card and these loans. All right, so I'll see you next video. Peace.